Cybertruck steer-by-wire and rear-wheel steering in a cramped underground garage, executing tight U-turns and parallel parking with minimal space, emphasizing its 19 feet length feels irrelevant at low speeds. In this kind of cramped, concrete pillared space where most traditional full-size trucks feel impossible to handle. Its very narrow driving lane between parked cars and thick support columns. The Cybertruck performs multiple very tight U-turns, essentially multi-point turns in extremely confined areas. At one point it rotates almost in place or with very little forward-backward shuffling. It then executes a clean parallel parking maneuver into a tight spot between other vehicles, with almost no margin for error on either side. The whole sequence feels almost unnatural for a vehicle that's over 19 feet long and weighs around 6,900 pounds.